Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got this Buick Riviera, the 1965 one by Maisto design. Uh, it sits somewhere between the premium castings and the mainline castings, and it does have something different which I haven't seen on any vehicle before. It says it has got 3 different ride heights, so I found it interesting and really wanted to get this one. So I'm gonna unbox it, open it up, and see how the casting looks, and also see what the 3 different ride heights are. So just hang on, subscribe to my channel. Let's open this up. So here is the Buick Riviera out of the box, and first of all you will notice this paint job, which is very common for the lowriders. I've seen like this paint job on very different cars actually. And I've also got some from Greenlight, which features similar paint. So red and candy colors. Something which I really liked, which I wasn't expecting from Maisto, is the details on the interiors. Look that. You got lowrider written in there. Another thing, it has got black interior but chrome steering wheel. So some nice details on the interior, which even the Hot Wheels Premium is on. That's good. The front and the rear are very normal chrome bumpers. But yeah, there's the other thing which was mentioned in the box, that it has got 3 ride heights. So this is one of the ride heights where it kind of tucks in. You see the rear wheel, it's tucked in. The second ride height is, you can do this, so it's like this, or you can pull the front wheel out so it flattens, or you can do this. So that's something I've never seen before on a 164, which is very nice. So this is the most outward, then this slightly in, then completely in. Same goes for the front wheels. This is nice, this is really nice. I wasn't expecting to see this, especially not from Maisto. So just for that, if you're interested in that, go ahead, get this one if you find. And I don't know if it's available in other stores, because it says imported by Walmart, so it might be just exclusive to it. But that's a nice casting. You should get it, especially for the details in the interior and this wheel height thing. Yeah, so those are my thoughts on this casting. Let me know, what do you think about this? Do you want Maisto to do more castings like this? Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.